Hey, my name is Alexander Gesinn, and I'd like to give you an idea about one of our solutions. It's called Semantic apps. So maybe you have heard in the past of some failed Enterprise 2.0 project. So it's buzzword compliant, as you can see. So wikis with no content, blog with no content, no audience maybe. We have in the past. So we take a look at this, and we found out that a frequent reason why these kind of projects fail is that they do not keep in mind that people don't just connect to each other, they connect through something like a shared object. For example, this community is sitting here because they have a shared object, it's a piece of software, Semantic Media Wiki. Or this conference at the moment is another shared object, why are we sitting here together? So if I take this beach ball and we start playing with this beach ball, this becomes another social object to us. So back in 2008, we started collecting some kind of social objects in a business context. And as you might guess, the best place to find them is the coffee machine. Sit there for 1 week, just listening to the people in the company, and you get a great idea about what are the social objects in this company.
You get paid for this?
Sorry?
You get paid for this?
No, so we find a lot of things, projects, tasks, processes, contexts, organizations. I think all of you know these kind of things. What we did now is we grouped them by domain and put them in a box so that you can get the box. But these pieces are still connected together, and as you can see on the red line, they're connecting users, so these are the social objects. What else we did is we added some kind of a data integration. It's also an important part of a business solution. There are a lot of resources and a lot of data already in the company, so we created a layer with the extract, transform, load mechanism. We are using open source tools. Pentama, for example, is one of these. And we are populating the wikis, we are connecting it to other business applications, so preventing, again, application silos. So how to build business applications around those social objects? This is a typical stack, so we take a virtual machine, create a LAMP stack, so operating system, the operating system packages like a graph list for rendering process charts and things like that. We are configuring everything around Apache, MySQL, PHP, and so on. MediaWiki stack with a lot of extensions, And then we add these social objects as you can see in the first line. So this is a set of categories, properties, forms, and templates. And we use a bot and populate the wiki. So users can start with a pre-populated wiki, preventing them from starting from scratch. So you might have heard that people try to create a project management solution based on the wiki. So it's everything, it's every time the same story, and we give them a starting point. We add some tests, patches to make this business aware. We add some service and support, and finally, that's it. So if you'd like to learn more about this approach, feel free to browse our webpage. Thanks.